Hello and welcome everyone to this short video in which I want to share a geometry node group which I created for this project. For this object I had to place a lot of crystals all over its surface, and for this I made this node group which made the whole process really easy. You can download it from the link in the description below. This link will take you to my Gumroad and there you can download it completely free. The download will give you two files. crystalgenerator.blend has the actual node group and the other file shows how to use it. To use it in your own project, just go to File, Append and go to the crystalgenerator.blend file, Object, and just append any of these crystal objects. I will use the 001. Append. This will append the crystal as well as the original crystal which is used to instantiate it. You don't need to worry about it, just hide it and you can use the crystal in your project then. To place it easily onto your object, turn on snapping, use face project and remember to uncheck align rotation to target. Now select the crystal object, go to edit mode, and you can see that it's only just one edge. So you can move the vertices to the place that you like, something like this. Let's turn off edit mode and see how it looks. Okay, just maybe extend this tip a little bit. Okay, let's turn off snapping so that it goes beyond the surface, something like this. So that's how easy it is to place it. Let's put another one, just duplicate it by Shift D, turn on snapping and like so. Let's put some more. It also has some options, so you can change the spin from the modifier properties like this and the thickness. And you can also join them by selecting all and go to object and join. And the good thing is that then you can control the properties for all in a single go. And what's more, it also has a material applied to it, so it's really plug and play. And you can open the shader editor and change the color from here. So that's it. Hopefully you will find some use for it. Thanks for watching and until next time, goodbye.